Hello students, welcome to my channel, and if you like video please don't forget to comment and subscribe. Okay, so today's topic is bases. It is one of the topic of science in class 7. Okay, so what are bases? Bases are the substances that have bitter taste and also they have slippery or soapy touch. When you take some detergent on your hand and put some water and rub your hands, both the hands, then you will feel that touch slippery, you know. So these substances that are having slippery taste, slippery touch, they are bases, and these substances are basic in nature. Their nature is basic. They are also known as basic substances. So some of the examples are soaps, detergents, antacids, lime water, window cleaner. Here lime water means not the lemon water. Lime water is lime water is made from the calcium hydroxide. It is a strong base. Calcium hydroxide is a strong base, and it is prepared by dissolving a little amount of lime or in water, that is chuna. Okay, so what is this lime? It is chuna, calcium hydroxide, that means chuna. It is dissolved in water, then the solution is stirred and allowed to stand for some time, and then it is filtered. Okay, and then the clear solution that is obtained, is called lime water, and this lime water is used as a laboratory reagent. Means while performing so many experiments, this lime water is used. And on large scale, a dilute solution of this lime water is used for whitewashing, when we paint house with the whitewash. So it is nothing but the lime water, or we can say calcium hydroxide. Okay, so what are alkalis? Alkalis are the bases that are soluble in water. Alkalis are the bases that are soluble in water. For example, NaOH. NaOH means sodium hydroxide. Okay, and KOH means potassium hydroxide. These are soluble in water, and that's why they are called alkalis. These two alkalis here mentioned, that is NaOH and KOH, they are corrosive in nature and they are harmful for skin. Okay, then we have some names of strong bases and weak bases. Just like acids, there are strong bases and weak bases. So here are some names. Strong bases are sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, barium hydroxide, BaOH2, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. It is also known as washing soda that we use to make the detergents and all. Okay, then we have some weak bases, that aluminum hydroxide, AlOH3, copper hydroxide, CuOH2, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO3, and it is known as baking soda that we use to make different foods like cake and all, cake and pastries. Okay, that is baking soda, and this is washing soda. This is strong and this is weak base. This is strong base. Okay, sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, that is the difference between two. Then other strong bases, they are this sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and these are the weak bases. Okay, then bases are used in the many manufacturing industries like soaps, detergents, chemicals like bleaching powder and fertilizers, etc. They are also used for whitewashing, softening of hard water, as a cleaning agent, and in the leather or textile industries. Okay, so these bases are generally identified by their bitter taste, Okay, so here we have some uses of bases. So bases are used in soap and detergent industries, and these bases are KOH and NaOH. They are also, NaOH is also known as caustic soda. They are used in soap and detergent making. Then for the manufacturing of rayon, it is also used in the manufacturing of rayon. Okay, then in paper and pulp industries, and also in the manufacturing of other chemicals. Okay, then we have this CaOH2, that is calcium hydroxide. This is used for whitewashing, for making or for manufacturing of bleaching powder. It is also used in the leather industries, and it is also used as lime water in the laboratories. Okay, this is also known as slaked lime. Lime water is also known as slaked lime, or we can say chuna. Okay, this calcium hydroxide, it is also used for softening hard water, softening of hard water. It is also used for neutralizing the acidity of soil. See, in some places there is the soil is very acidic in nature, so to neutralize that acid, this calcium hydroxide is used. Then NH4OH, that means ammonium hydroxide, it is used for window cleaning. Okay, now this ammonium hydroxide, it is also a cleansing agent, and it is also used for preparing ammonium salts. It is also used as window cleaners. Okay, then we have magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, it is used to make antacids. It is antacid, and this you must have seen the antacids like Gelusil and all, liquid and tablets form antacids. So magnesium hydroxide is used to make antacids, and it is also known as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, it is used to make the antacids. Okay, then we have aluminum hydroxide. It is also used to make antacids, and also used in textile industries. Okay, so these are the uses of bases. Then in the last video also I have told you about H2SO4, that it is known as king of acid because of its widespread use. Okay, so this is about the bases. Then here we will stop. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.